Bratislava, the capital of Slovakia, offers enchanting landscapes that can be truly appreciated from a bird's eye view. Thanks to drone video, travelers can see stunning views of this beautiful city from the air. The cityscape is dominated by the famous castle, located on a hill overlooking the old town. The castle offers panoramic views of Bratislava and its surroundings. The historic old town itself is a maze of narrow streets lined with charming buildings showcasing a variety of architectural styles, from Gothic to Baroque. In recent years, Bratislava has become increasingly popular among tourists. Its low prices compared to other European cities make it an attractive option for travelers looking to explore the city on a budget. In addition to its historical attractions, Bratislava offers a vibrant cultural life with numerous museums, galleries, and theaters. Throughout the year, the city hosts various festivals dedicated to music, art, and local traditions. For those who enjoy an active holiday, Bratislava boasts beautiful parks and public gardens where visitors can relax or engage in active recreation. The Danube embankment offers opportunities for river cruises or leisurely strolls. In conclusion, Bratislava is a beautiful place that captivates travelers with its landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Whether you're interested in exploring historical sites or experiencing local traditions, this Slovakian gem will provide an unforgettable travel experience.